move that. Okay. Somebody asked in the video, how did you do those? So I'm gonna explain in this video. First, I'm gonna put my filter. Okay. Then I'm just gonna leave that like that. Okay. Now I'm gonna put this. And then when you go right here, see this, edit, and then you do this. Hold up. So you do this like this. It would come like look. See, it comes, and then you wanna put. If you wanna put another one, you can just. You can't. You can do something else, but I'm just doing this as an example. You can just do this and just do this. See, that's how I did it. So good.